All right, guys, for number 20 here, taking a look at number 20. Don't make this harder than it is, guys. I know a lot of people are getting screwed up. This isn't in the slope. Y equals mx plus b. They're just saying, hey, guess what? This point right here is a point that's on my line. Okay. And so understand that if I were to draw this line, that this point's going to be on it. So that means I should graph this point first. Remember, slope is movement. Slope is movement. How can you move if you don't have a starting point, right? I can't go out and say, hey, we're going to race and not have a starting point. Okay. We can't just go out and say, magically, I'm going to start running. And you always got to have a beginning value. Okay. So this is why, hey, this is a little bit different. It's nothing crazy. We've graphed this before. Okay. We're going to graph that first and then we'll move. Okay. So we're going to ignore this for a second, but understand that this is just M. M is going to be negative 1/4. Oh, negative. Oh, better put that negative on top. Do not put it on bottom. Remember, we always move it. Slope movement is how many times I go up or down. This is negative, obviously. So I'm going to go down and then to the right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to graph this point. So going back to the earlier problems, remember, this is a location. It's not a movement. Okay, I'm not going to have two different locations. This is one location. The first number is my x. So it goes left or right. Left if it's negative, right if it's positive. The second number goes up or down. Up if it's positive, down if it's negative. It's one location. It's not two. Don't go to -1 and then to +2. No, it's one location. So this number tells me, oh, it's negative. It tells me to go to the left one and then up 2. So I'm going to go to the left one, up 2. So right there, that's not where my beginning, but that's where I'm going to start at. This is my point. Okay, and this point has to be on this line. So now once I have a starting point, this is my starting point, I'm now going to do a movement. How do I move? Well, it's simple. I said I went down 1 and then over 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to put my dot right there. Okay. And then now once I have that, boom, we just draw a line. So the only difference is we're not starting on the y-axis here. You're starting at that point and then you still do the movement.